Is this you? Or maybe this?
Lemon drizzle.
Or maybe your partner snores? Well, here's the cheapest and simplest solution for you to get a good night's sleep. Hypoallergenic mouth tape from Remcover, latex-free, silicone-free. Stick it on and say hello to a good night's sleep. An absolute must-buy for anybody who's affected by snoring. And does it hurt to take it off? Surprisingly, no, not at all, even with a beard. So if you want to have a great night's sleep for either yourself or your partner, or both of you, let's be honest, this is the product for you. Grab it now while it's back in stock from the link below. Have a great day.